In today's video, I will walk you through on how to check if a link sent to you by someone is a dangerous link, all right, or a malicious link, which may end up corrupting your system or targeted at defrauding you. So, without taking much time, let's just get to the screen. Okay, the first step in to check if a link is suspicious or malicious is to hover your cursor over that link, all right? That will show you the destination of that link. Sometimes it's not about the text you see, all right? There may be hidden something, a link embedded inside that thing that looks like a website here. Just like as you can see here, www.youtube.com. To you, this is the website. This is where it's leading to. But it's not true. Okay, you can see now as I brought my cursor here, you can see the real direction this will take me to when I click on this. You can see three bar dot site forward slash rev forward slash over 45. So when you hover your cursor over to the link, you will see the real destination of that link. So this is a red flag because here now it presents itself as YouTube, but it is leading you maybe to a suspicious site. That is the first step to take. I didn't say you should click on that link, just hover your cursor over it, okay? Okay, another way to check if to know if a link is malicious or dangerous is by copying it, opening your browser in incognito mode or private mode and check it out. Let me go to WhatsApp. There is a message somebody sent me some time ago that wanted to, I don't know what he wanted to get from, whether he wanted to scam me or what, but I know it must be one of those things, okay? Okay, so look at this link here. So I didn't say you should click on it, just right click and copy, okay? So that it doesn't end up installing some things into your PC. Then I'll open my web browser in incognito mode, all right? So I'm on Chrome, I will select this and then I'll go with the option of private browsing. Where is it? Okay, new incognito window. Then I will paste it, okay? Okay, let's visit. Okay, you can see now our browser has already detected, Chrome browser have already detected that this is a dangerous site. Are you getting it? Even though they came up, you see the trick here. They came with HTTPS. They added this for them to deceive us. But the browser has now detected that this is a dangerous site. But you may ask, why do I open this in incognito mode? It's because none of my accounts is logged in this mode. So there is no how the hacker may try to pick my information. Are you getting it? So let's try the next method. Okay, another way is by visiting this website, virustotal.com, followed by this link here. I will have it on the screen, okay? In fact, you can see it and I will try and add it in the description, all right? If it's not there, remind me. So once you get to this website, virustotal, click on this URL, okay? Then type the suspicious link inside, okay? Copy and paste. Don't even type it, just paste it, okay? All right, so look at it here, then a search. And as you can see, this has returned some search results. You can see here, it says security vendors flagged this URL as malicious. So with these three methods, okay, you will dictate, if you go down now, you see a lot, okay, you will dictate that if a particular link is dangerous or not. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we offer a lot of tutorials on tech, including cybersecurity, which is where this content falls into. Okay? So hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section if you have questions to ask. Okay? You can watch this video here to learn more on cybersecurity tips. Okay? Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.